There you are. So the one thing that I wasted the most time when I started doing YouTube videos is looking for the best screen recording software. And initially I started to try Laura, that another program I don't remember anymore that also screen recorded, that I changed different softwares all the time. And the main issue was that the PC was lagging too heavy. So there was always a lag between recording and the video images, and I didn't know it was so much, especially after we have invested so much time preparing and then going through the video. And then after some time, I decided to use OBS instead. It was the first time. And the great thing is, it doesn't need to use a lot of resources of the PC, and you could define different scenes that you can switch between the scenes very easily. So that is the first thing I used to start here, and I started to use. The next one actually is that I found out later is the script that works pretty well as well with screen recording without creating any time lags. And the great thing is, if you do that with the script, you can always change the viewing angle. Let's have yourself on the full screen or with the screen share. You can do everything at the same time. So that's what I basically use nowadays. I also heard Riverside is a good option too. I haven't tried that one yet either. But if you're interested to know more about it, let me know in the comments. I can help you setting up OBS Studio for you, or show you some tricks with the script. See you in the next one.